Things are happening in this country. Watch this.
Politics is not in Nigeria. It's not for this. It's not for the saints. It's for the sinners. It's for the sinners. Politics here in Nigeria. And now I know why Wike they vex. And now I know why some politicians they put their children. Because politics in this country is for sinners, people that does not have conscience. That's what politics is for. You can see that, in the coming days, I will be gisting you about my experience in politics, trying to support someone. I will be gisting you now. You now go hear better story. I go give you na story. Sometimes you go put your money, support people, but the people you are even supporting are worse than the people you want to remove. So more story they come, making a wait. But politics in Nigeria, now sinners they do them. No be for righteous, no be for good people.
Does the president deserve to be on the ballot? That's the fundamental issue here. That he has all of these abilities, but can he prove? Because what are the question mark? The question mark on his identity, question marks on qualification.
What identity are you talking about, Sheun? If he's asking of identity, can you tell us who Atiku's father is? Do you know Atiku's uncle? Have you ever seen Atiku's brother? Do we ask those questions? What is he talking about?
What's wrong with Atiku's uncle?
You should ask him. Does he know Atiku's father?
Ask me.
Do you know his uncle?
Let me answer.
Who
is his father? Where is his father?
Sheun, why we are here?
Yes.
Why we are here is because we run a constitutional democracy where the law guides all our activities. The constitution, which is supreme in this country.
You're saying he has added Adekunle. You're saying he has added Adekunle now.
Allow me
you don't believe in him as a person.
Please allow me to answer the question. Yeah. We are saying the constitution says you must have at least 2 sats.
Or
equivalent. Yes.
What is his equivalent?
I'm coming. I will answer you.
Yes.
I will answer you.
With an evidence that.
Yes. Then the constitution says.
Is it not enough evidence?
Please allow me.
Hold on. Is it not enough evidence that someone that was a senator, one-time senator, and a governor of a state that has become a country of its own, he made that state became a country of its own. Build a structure of democracy that every 2 years you have a local government elections where there is none in this country. I don't think any state in the last 10-15 years that conducts itself democratically to go for an election of local government every 2 years. You want to ask me a question that such a person, you have a doubt that he has the ability to read and write.
Did you go to primary school?
Yes, I did.
Which primary school is this?
Let's go primary school, Kanu.
Do you have the certificate?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so that's what we're talking about.
Okay, let me tell you something. The certificate of my primary. Hold on. The certificate of my primary. Hold on. Hold on now. My primary certificate, my secondary certificate, my university certificate hadn't helped me in what I'm doing today.
That is not the issue.
It is the issue.
Upload your products and services on findandnow.com so that people go they buy from you plenty.
This is a special thank you message to the Catholic Bishops' Conference and our very respected Cardinal, His Eminence John Cardinal Onaikon. I beg my country people, once you see this video, just help me to say thank you. If Tinubu and the Affliction Progressive Congress, Oriburuku APC, if they had their way by now, they plot how to ordain a fake pope who will come and suspend this cardinal and the bishop for speaking truth. Because they hate the truth. People who can hire fake bishop for campaign, what level of mischief can they not do? But unfortunately, those who hire fake bishop today have met original bishop who will tell them the truth, not minding whose ox is God. Our dear Catholic Bishops' Conference and our very revered His Eminence John Cardinal Onaikon, may God keep you. Thank you for remaining a beacon of hope and truth, a symbol of truth to this country. Thank you for staying constantly on the path of truth and justice. In a country and in a world where some religious leaders will prefer to choose psychophancy over our shared humanity, where some will choose to worship wealth and affluence, worship politicians rather than speak truth to power, you have consistently stood on the path of truth, holding your values dear, to holding leaders accountable, to speak on behalf of the generality of the people, even at the very difficult times. May God preserve you. May God keep you. You spoke on behalf of all of us, and we are grateful. Both Christians, Muslims, Catholic, Pentecostal, every person in Nigeria sees through you a symbol and a representation of what leadership should be about. May your labor of love over this country never be in vain. It is unfortunate that a country will have a leader that will rather choose to surround themselves with charlatans and sycophants who expect that whenever people come to see their failed leader, they should go into praise singing, to begin to dance on the Monday they shall collapse rather than speak truth to them. Mischievous characters who are only there to lace their pockets with the commonwealth of the people and care less about the plight of the people. But thank you for standing on behalf of Nigerians and insisting that in difficult times there can be no polite conversation. The only way is to speak the truth to the leaders, and that you did unequivocally. We are most grateful. All your decades of service, no amount of mischief can paint. My country people, do you know that when His Eminence John Cardinal Onaikon graduated from Mount St. Michael Secondary School for Affliate in Benue State during his own time, he emerged not just as overall best for the school or the state, overall best for the entire then old northern region. That is 19 states plus FCT put together. To the extent where they said the then premier gave him a scholarship, but he decided to go to the seminary and dedicate his life to the service of God and humanity. That is overall best in the entire region. Now this same person, now people from this administration, they come, people where they defend a leader where no fit tell when the primary or secondary school where you go. What a country, what a tragedy of a nation. No amount of mischief can taint your decade of service to God and to humanity. We thank you, Catholic Bishops Conference, and every other religious leader speaking truth to power and holding government accountable. May God honor you all. Oriburu.
Download Find Them now and upload your products and your services so that people can easily see them and buy from you. Also, anything that you're looking for, go to findamnow.com. You will see it there. Download the App Store, the app from App Store and Google Play Store.
Ewa! Ewa! So if that man come for you, you go be asking a winch attack you, or you be asking a devil. No. Who is Bode? That's the thing. Jimoh must do his Bode. Who is Kenny? Who is Bode? The prince, the death of Prince Ademola Akinloye. We will find justice for Prince Ademola Akinloye.
Now for the record. Sure you don't confirm and now say, nobody let me they fly for nights. He did the blood, we chop winch for our family. My papa they fly, me self they fly. All of us they fly for nights. In a red winch, me in a white winch. But that nobody to carry me come with that. Mr. Jimoh, with all due respect, sir, AIG, who is Bode? Who is Kelly? Come and tell us so. Hey, we don't carry your matter, they go cover like this. Come and tell us who is Bode? Who is Kelly? Who they send money? Which account they take collect the money? Because investigation they clear us now say there is no 3 million, there's no 2 million that was sent from Ahmed to any Kenny or Bode. Please, Nigeria, so come and hear IGO. Nowhere you go, where like say we no go appear. You don't understand? We'll be witches and wizards for our family. Don't confirm now, Abi. So we wicked. We get wings for our family with a fly. Daytime, afternoon. If Baba come for you, you go be like say na devil. Na devil come for you. You go be like say na your village will not come. You will not going to be an IG of the police. And as we talk, we don't stand. Bam. Yes. Your eye go clear. Come and tell us who is Bode. Who is Bode? Nigerians come, oh. My fellow witches and wizards come, oh. Wizard show. Witches come, oh. Who is Bode? Let's join us together. Let's ask Mr. AIG. AIG Moshu Jimoh. Please, who is Bode? Is it a crime to ask you a question? You are petitioning. Nigerians come, oh. We. Who is Bode? Who is Kelly? AIG, sorry. Who is Bode? Who is Kelly? Or else go they appear for your dream. You go to start the source of dream now. Don't worry. You go to start the source of you go to say the wind's real. We know they fake out for this side. When they fly for daytime, afternoon and night. Paul. Experience is the best teacher. You will experience it and you will feel it. It's not a joke. By the time it will come for you, what will come like a thief in the middle of the night, you will understand that you are a big problem and you are a big soup. You will learn, no worry. Now all of us stay. Well, my people want to meet me for meeting. I'm about to enter the meeting now. See you tomorrow. Or we'll come back by another kind of 4 or night, yeah?
Upload your products and services on findamnow.com. Download the app on Google Play Store or App Store. Or go to findamnow.com. Upload your goods and services, your products, so that you'll be selling. Also, anything that you want, go and search for it in findamnow.com.